Now we'll look at example 10. So determine the diameter of a solid steel shaft to transmit 30 megawatts at a speed of 1,500 revs per minute if the angle of twist is limited to 1 degree for every 20 diameters of length. Okay, so we're told that the power is 30 megawatts. We're told that the RPM, so N here, is 1,500. We're told that the angle of twist is 1 degree. We'll need to convert that to radians. And the length is 20 diameters. So this length here is 20 diameters. So let's begin by converting the 1 degree to radians. So 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi radians. So 1 degree is 2 pi divided by 360. And when we put that into a calculator, we get 0.0175 radians. So 1 degree is 0.0175 radians. If we start substituting in our values into these formulas, I can begin with N. So if N is 1,500, then omega works out to be 157 radians per second. Power is torque times omega, so torque is power over omega. So torque is power over omega. So that's 30 megawatts, our question, divided by omega, which we've calculated to be 157, and that gives me 191,082 Newton meters. The modulus of rigidity is 80 giganewtons, and our length is 20 diameters, so 20d. The radius c is just d over 2 for the time being. Alright, so let's put those to one side. And we'll begin by looking at this equation. So the torque and the second polar moment times g times theta all over L. So let's take this equation and bring j to one side. And we know that j is also equal to pi d to the power of 4 all over 32. So this expression here is equal to pi d to the power of 4 over 32. And now I want to cross multiply. So I bring the 32 up here and I bring the d down here. So there's the 32 and the d has moved down. And d into d to the power of 4 is d cubed. And we bring pi down here. So d cubed is equal to this expression. And if I want to get d, then I need to get the cubed root of that expression. And when I put that into my calculator, I get 0.303 meters. In fact, let's do that. So it is 32 times 191,082 multiplied by 20, and we have pi and 80 giga 0.0175, and that's 0.303 meters. Okay, so the second part of the question, or was there a second part? Nope, that's it. So that is example 10.